Hey everyone! Quick hands-on review of the Govee Smart Ceiling Light Pro, and honestly, this one surprised me. At around $129.99, you're getting a 15-inch smart ceiling light that goes way harder than you'd expect at this price. First thing I noticed, brightness. At up to 4,300 lumens, it easily fills a medium to large room with clean, even light. And it doesn't just do white light well, it has proper warm and cool white tuning, plus full RGB effects. The standout feature is that dual-zone design. The top ring bounces color off the ceiling, while the bottom panel handles the main lighting. It creates this floating glow effect that actually feels premium. On the downside, there's no physical remote, and the app can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Also, some custom transitions aren't perfectly smooth. Still, compared to something like the Philips Hue Datura ceiling light, which costs nearly double, this is seriously strong value. Overall, if you want a bright, modern, smart ceiling light without breaking the bank, this one's worth a look.